One important key to success is self-confidence. An important key to self-confidence is preparation. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss two important prepositions, since and for. What is the difference between since and for? One of the most confusing sets of prepositions is the words for and since. In the English language, prepositions play an essential job. And the words for and since are used as prepositions of time. Since both these words denote a period of time, we get confused by the terms. When we are using for in a sentence, it means it is used to denote a specific amount of time. That is, a period of time, a duration of time, or an amount of time. For example, 10 minutes, 4 weeks, 5 years. It means from the beginning of the period to the end of the period. And it doesn't have to be exact. For example, I've been waiting for you for some time now. Here we have used for to express a duration of time. For some time now represents not an exact time but particular amount of time. So, if you want to express a particular amount of time or a period of time or a duration of time, we can use the preposition for. Let's move on to the preposition since. Since refers to a particular point of time that has started in the past and is still continuing in the present time. So, since plus point. A point is a precise moment in time, like 11 o'clock, 12th February, Tuesday. Since means from a point in the past until now. Example, I've been living in Katpadi since 2003. Here, we have expressed the time, that particular point of time. So, we have used the preposition since. And for can be used with all tenses, but since is used only with perfect tense. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. We can use since only with perfect tenses, and for can be used with all the tenses. Hope you have understood the difference between since and for. If you feel this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.